In the shadow of the glorious cross, compelled by grace to cast my lot, I'll discard the loss and bear your name, forsaking all for your own fame. Your hymn of grace all over me, abounding forth in glorious streams. My thirst is quenched by you, my Lord, sustained and my redeemed restored, sustained and my redeemed restored. Hallelujah, hallelujah. When death's dark shadows at my feet, when I am plagued by unbelief, you place my hands into your side, by precious blood identified, by precious blood identified. Hallelujah, hallelujah. I've clenched with fisted hands, I cast them down before the throne of Christ my God, the worthy Lamb. Christ crucified, the great I am. Christ crucified, the great I am. Christ crucified, the great I am.